How to lock Snapchat with Face ID or passcode on iPhone. It's a very simple and a quick process, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the very first thing you want to do is to search for the application Snapchat. Once you have found the application Snapchat, now what you want to do is tap and hold the app. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Well, you can also see the option where it says Require Face ID. Click on it. You can see two different menus, Require Face ID and the other is Hide and Require Face ID. Right now, we are not looking on hiding the application, so tap on the very first menu, Require Face ID. Once you have clicked on it, it will scan your face. Once done, the Face ID will be applied to your application Snapchat. Now whenever you try to open the Snapchat, it will require your Face ID. If not Face ID, you can also enter the passcode of your device. And then only you'll have the access of your account Snapchat. Applying the passcode and Face ID will secure your account, and after that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can lock your Snapchat app with your Face ID or passcode. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.